Hi there crafters, it's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Fable Friends, and this is the card that we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our stamping, and I have a piece of Whisper White, and that measures 2 1/4 by 4 1/2. And then from the Fable Friends, we're going to be using this bunny rabbit and Easter greetings. And I have the bunny rabbit mounted on clear block H. And I'm going to come in with my crumb cake. All right, so just like that. And next I have my gorgeous grate. And the Easter greetings is mounted on clear block B. And I have a piece of Highland Heather, and this is measured 2 1/4 by 1 inch. Just going to put it here in the center, just like that. And that is all the stamping that we are doing. Okay, so I have a piece of the botanical butterfly, and this is cut by 4 5 1/4. 4 by 5 1/4. And then our card base is Highland Heather, and this is cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I've scored it at 4 1/4. I'm going to come in with my snail adhesive. And then it's going to make a border here. So just like that, give it a good rub down. All right, and I'm going to take my Easter greetings and I'm going to put it right down here at the bottom. So just like that. And then I have another piece of Highland Heather, and this is measured 2 by 3 1/4, 2 3/8, sorry, by 4 5/8. So let's put our bunny rabbit down. And we have 1 week left of celebration, guys. I'm so thankful for everybody that has taken advantage. Well, let's see if I can put this down straight. It is just not coming out. And I was pretty positive that I cut it right, so let's see. There we go. Then I have a piece of Grapefruit Grove, and this is cut at 2 1/2 by 4 3/4. And we're going to put our bunny rabbit on the opposite side of this. So just like that. Then I'm going to come in with some Stampin' Dimensionals. Y'all probably guessed that already though, huh? And it's kind of a heavy piece, so I'm going to get quite a bit of dimensionals on here so it doesn't sag. All right. So, just like that, a quick and simple Easter card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube's description below. And remember, for every $50 you spend, you can pick a free item from our Celebrations catalog. Thanks for watching. Bye!